Here I have MODECOM FREETAB 9701, and let me show you how to accomplish the hard reset operation on that device by using the tablet settings. So at the very beginning, let's find and select the settings. Here you need to scroll down and choose backup and reset. Afterwards, from the following options, let's choose the factory data reset, read the information about the process and choose reset tablet. Choose erase everything to confirm the operation, and the device right now is erasing all personal data, customized settings and installed apps. Let's just be patient and wait until the whole process will be completed. Excellent, the hard reset is done. Now the welcome panel pops up, so it means that everything went well. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up under the video.